Excellencies, distinguished delegates, it is my great pleasure to join the high-level plenary ministerial dialogue of African Bamboo and Rattan Congress. First, I would like to thank His Excellency Mr. Julius Doret Njongo, Minister of Forestry and Wildlife of Cameroon, and Mr. Ali Mchimo, Director General of INBAR, for your warm invitation to UNIDO. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, bamboo and rattan are important and valuable resources with great potential to facilitate green economic recovery. With the right technology, they are dynamic tools to assist developing countries achieving both the SDGs and the targets set in the Paris Accord. Bamboo and rattan are unique in their high degree of regenerative potential and are therefore particularly sustainable resources. Their benefits for nature include ability to stabilize dangerously sloping soils, improving water infiltration and groundwater recharge, versatility in industries of food, fiber, construction, energy, and often substituting the limited timber, support to sustainable development and climate change mitigation. Bamboo and rattan industry has a great market potential, demand and social significance in Africa, and is an important means to implement the third industrial development decade for Africa, which is also the best platform to facilitate further partnership in this area. We are happy to know that the development of bamboo and rattan sectors have been adopted in the Declaration and Action Plan of Dakar at the 8th Ministerial Conference of the Forum on Cooperation Sino-China Africa, FOCAC. UNIDO will spare no effort to provide technical support in that area. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, UNIDO has a strong record of implementing technical cooperation projects related to the bamboo and rattan sector across the world in the recent years, including development of processing skills for bamboo and rattan production, capacity building, and technical assistance to SMEs, improving their production techniques, and identification of additional opportunities for value chain diversification, targeting to alleviate poverty, increasing of technical support to empower bamboo and rattan processors, including women and youth, increasing the resilience of their livelihoods and incomes. Engaging to raise the potential for regenerative agriculture, like soil fertility improvement, water and climate benefits through applying biochar in the plantation sector. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to express our appreciation for the continuous cooperation between UNIDO and INBAR in recent years. UNIDO is grateful for the work and achievement done by INBAR in promoting global bamboo and rattan development, especially in Africa, through field-specific projects, trainings, and technical services. UNIDO countersigned an agreement with INBAR in 2021 to upscale and streamline the collaboration in the areas which include bamboo and rattan product development, investment and value chain development, circular and green economy, regenerative agriculture, strengthening small and medium enterprises and clusters. We continue to share many common aspirations between INBAR and UNIDO. Our organizations will jointly work together on the active development of the bamboo and rattan sector in Africa to improve people's livelihoods and strengthening sustainable models of economic growth. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we want to emphasize our determination to make UNIDO a strong partner to bamboo and rattan cooperation in the Africa region. We thank you for your trust and support to strengthen cooperation in Africa between INBAR and UNIDO, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.